Today we're gonna make a paper crane with origami paper, and in Japanese we call it Tsuru. You will need origami paper, which is a square 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. And I already prepared another paper with the lines that we will need, and I will show you how to create those lines that are useful to fold our paper crane later on. First you fold in a half, and you open, and you fold in a half again to have those cross lines. And then you fold diagonally to make this kind of triangle shape. And you open again and fold diagonally on the other side. So now we will have all the lines that we need. Okay, this is our prep. So now we fold downward, okay, on the diagonal, and we want to keep that little square. So I will fold inward the side of the paper. I will follow that line that you can see that we made before, and then press the paper neatly when you fold it, okay? So the lines are neat, and then it's easier to complete your origami. Now you fold on the other side, so now we create this kind of flaps, lateral flaps. Okay, that you can see that they can open. Then the bottom part can open and the top part cannot. Keep the top part on the top, basically. And fold the flaps in the middle, following the line that you already should have in the middle. This is a little bit tricky, so try to fold it nicely. Keep the paper down firmly so it will not be messed up. And you do the same on the other side, so we create this kite-like shape. Press down nicely, don't be scared to press down, and even if you make a mistake, it's okay. You can redo it as many times as you want. You can practice, you know, nobody's perfect. So now you fold down the triangle at the top. We just want to make a line, so you do the same on the other side, so the line is more precise, okay? Then you open, you can see the three lines like a triangle, okay? And fold up following the lines. And then be gentle here because it's the trickiest part, I think, of this origami. Follow the lines, use your fingernails, be gentle. Press down hard only when you're sure that you're following the lines, okay? And even if you make mistakes, as I said, it's fine, don't worry. Then you do the same on the other side. Open the flaps and then fold upward. And now close on the sides. If it's neat, then the result will be nice. So try to keep it as neat as possible, basically. Now that we have folded it, we press it nicely. Here it's flat. And keep the triangle part at the top, okay? And fold down the flaps again in the middle. And now there will be many layers of paper already, so it will be a little bit hard to fold it. You have to use your strength and press down, okay? Press nicely. You want really neat lines, very clear lines, okay? You can adjust a little bit if you're not satisfied with the result. And now that we have this kind of legs at the bottom, okay, we fold them upward. You can follow the angle of the paper Be sure that they're kind of even. You want them at the same angle. Sorry, my hands were a little bit off camera. Then you can see the lines that we created. You open and the lines are there too. And fold inward and then in a half. Here's gonna be a little bit tricky for sure. Usually the pointy part is not always perfect, but it's okay. It's fine. And you do the same on this side. Okay, open, fold inward, following the lines, and then in a half. So one of these two will be the tail of your paper crane, and the other one will be the neck with the head. You can choose the one that came out better, okay? Has the tail because it needs to be straight, and the other one that maybe it's a little bit messed up, it's fine. You can fold it inward in the same way you did with the tail basically and the neck, and it will be the head and the beak of your paper crane, and it doesn't need to be perfect, that part, so it's fine, totally fine. And you can adjust a little bit the angle of your tail. And the bottom part that you will see now, yeah, this one, you can open it a little bit so it will make your paper crane stand. Okay, it needs a base to stand, of course. You can keep it closed or open it a little bit more. Be very gentle when you do this. You don't want to rip the paper. And it can stand with wings open or closed. I made other paper cranes with other paper, or you can make your original origami paper, it's fine. You can keep it closed, open, you can stick it to a card or give them to your friends, or you can just make a lot of them, make a family play with them. I don't know, you can do anything with paper, you know. It's up to your imagination. And that was how you make a paper crane.